Hey YouTube, we are super happy to be living here full time, but I like to start cooking soon, so we need to get one of these. I did a little bit of research, and the first thing is to measure this space and make sure the fridge would fit. And then we also want to measure the front door and back door to make sure the fridge can physically get into the house when they deliver it. Let's take some measurements and go shopping. Here are the measurements. I've always wondered why there's so many different fridges, but now I'm looking and I'm like, none of these fit our space because ours is 23 inches and this is just gonna stick out a lot. And one of the people working here was like, oh yeah, you just need a counter depth. And this one is still 30, but it's a lot better than 35. So I'm gonna go back, do some research on the different brands and models. We have a winner, actually got here by process of elimination. Initially, I really liked this KitchenAid from Home Depot because it is less expensive, and according to Reddit, it has a pretty good reliability, but it's too wide. Only if it was an inch or two shorter, it would have fit. So I kept looking, and this website really likes Bosch, so does Reddit. I've heard good things about them too, and same problem, it's a little too tall. If it was just 1 or 2 inches shorter, this would have been perfect. And we just got really lucky that this brand has our exact dimensions. It will stick out the least. There is no ice maker. That is perfect. According to this thread, we want something simple. We could get water from the sink. We are more than happy making our own ice. Less bells and whistles equals less things to break and worry about. Super happy that this seems like a reliable brand. I never thought I'd be this excited buying a refrigerator. I guess that's how you know you're a grown-up now. Let's go to cart. We're gonna place the order. 32 video done.